most difficult people to work around sometimes are people who are committed Muslims in our communities. And it's not a huge, very ordinary scholar. This is somebody who has millions and millions of people that listen to him and follow him. It's his observation, not mine. So actually mine too sometimes. Be flexible in these religious matters. If someone is praying 8 rakat or 20 rakat or witr this way or that way, all of this is acceptable because this ummah for 1400 years is practicing this with continuity. If someone puts his hand here or nowhere, no problem. Putting hands anywhere, like this or this or this, is not an obligation, is not a condition of the salah. I challenge you. Nobody can bring me a single hukum from Quran or Sunnah